my countrymen, mga kababayan, while we are facing the heavy downpour and strong winds of Ulysses, I assure everyone that your government is on top of the situation. From the beginning, various government agencies have already been mobilized to respond to the situation on the ground. I renew my call on all local government units and concerned agencies to ensure that the well-being and safety of our people remain the top priority. As President, I guarantee you that your government will do its best to provide assistance in the form of shelters, relief goods, financial aid, and post-disaster counseling. Rest assured, the government will not leave anybody behind. We will get through this crisis, I assure you. As one nation, kapit po tayo, mga kababayan, magbayanihan po tayong lahat. Alam mo, meron tayong mga assets na bago. The Coast Guard, may yung gamitin nila sa tubig, the fast vessels that are with the Navy, and yung Air Force natin, marami tayong helicopter. As long as the weather is still whirling, umiikot pa yung hangin, hindi pa makatrabaho, hindi makalipad. But all of this, lahat, pati yung mga sundalo, nauna na po yan. Yun pa lang, yung pag dumating ang advisory sa atin, nakapundo na yung mga tao. The goods are there, the people have been mobilized and deployed. Kaya pagdating ng bagyo, nandiyan nagtrabaho na sila. Kaya may nagsabi na walang ginawa, tutulog, walang kaming tulog dito. As I talk to you now, I just delivered the ASEAN Philippine message. I am attending a summit ng ASEAN. Ang participation natin is the virtual digital thing. Pero lahat kami nagsalita. So, yan, as soon as I am able to move around, ganito kasi yan ang problema ko. Binabawalan ako ng nagbabantay sa akin, PSG lahat, doktor. Hindi ako makalabas. Sabi ko naman, gusto kong magpakita sa tao lang man. Ang sabi nila nga, bantayan yung yung pagkatao ko kasi ako yung presidente. Sabi ko hindi na bale. Total, meron namang vice president. Kaya nga, meron niyang posisyon na yan eh. Ang sabi naman is, marami ho ang opisyal sa labas. Isa lang ang presidente. Gusto ko, kung sabihin mo lang as a concern for buhay o kapakanan, wala ako dyan. Gusto kong lumabas. Gusto kong lumangoy. Matagal na ako hindi naligo eh. Kaya lang, ayaw nitong mga sundalo. Sila ang ayaw gustong maligo. Ibig sabihin. So, ganun ang sitwasyon. It's not that I am at a distance from you. Na may distansya ako ngayon sa inyo. Gusto kong pumunta doon. Makipaglangoy nga sa inyo. Ang problema, pinipigilan ako. Kasi raw, pag namatay ako, isa lang ang presidente. Sabi ko, may vice president naman. Wala naman silang sinasagot. Nagtitinginan lang sila. Tapos hindi. Hindi ka pwedeng mamatay itong panahon na ito. Kung malunod ka, malulunod kaming lahat na yung nagtatrabaho sa iyo. Well, anyway, that is the fortune of our lives. We want to be of help. We want to be near. And we want to share the grief. And we want to share the agony.